All right, today we're going to be talking about discounts. So, how to find how much an item is discounted when things are on sale. So, what we're going to do is we're going to find the price of each of these products after the discount is applied. So, when we set this up, the first thing we have to do is we have to set up our proportion. So, we still have part over whole and percent over 100. That part did not go away. That's the same exact thing like we've been doing. Okay, so we're going to put what we need. So we know that the discount rate is 40% for this skateboard. Okay, the price of the item is going to be our whole. So our whole is $39. Okay, and we want to find this part. That's what we don't know. Okay, 40 and 100 are not really nice to each other. 39 and 100 are not really nice to each other. So what we can do is we can cross multiply, so 39 times 40, and then divide by 100. So on the side over here, I'm going to do 39 times 40, so 0. 4 times 9 is 36. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 3 is 15. Okay, and then we're going to divide by 100. So we're going to take 1,560, divide by 100. They both end in a 0, so I can take a 0 off. Okay, and now 10 goes into 15 once, minus 10, 5, bring down the 6. 10 goes into 56 5 times. Remember, there's a decimal right here. So 560, because we brought down to 0, and 10 goes into 66 times. So our money we're taking off, our discount is $15.60. But we're not done. That's the amount that's being taken off. So to find the actual discounted price, what we have to do is we have to take this total minus the discount. So we have to do $39 minus $15.60 that are being taken off. Okay, so 0 minus 0 is 0. We're going to have to borrow one from here. There. So the discounted price that you're going to put right here is $23.40 for that question. All right, the next one we're going to look at is the basketball shoes. We're going to do the same exact thing. Okay, so our whole is how much it costs. Our percent is right there, so our percent is 8%. Our whole is $115. Okay, again, 8 and 100 are not nice to each other. 115 and 100 are not nice to each other. So we have to cross multiply. So 115 times 8, and then we're going to divide by 100. So 115 times 8. 5 times 8 is 40. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 4 is 12. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So $920, or 920. We're going to take 920 and divide by 100. Okay, so 100 goes into 900 9 times. Got to add a decimal and some zeros. Okay, so we're going to take away 900. We're left with 20. Bring down this 0. 100 goes into 200 twice. Minus 200, and because it's money, we have to have this extra 0. So this means that we're taking away $9.20. That's this part. But remember, we're not done because we have to subtract this from the total. So we're going to do $115 minus $9.20 to get our total. So we're going to borrow from here. 0, 8, we're going to borrow again, 5, 0, so $105.80. All right, now we're gonna look at the baseball cap. So the baseball cap costs $12, so that's our whole is $12, and it's discounted 6%. That's crazy, 6%. So again, 12 and 100 are not nice to each other, 6 and 100 are not nice to each other. So we're going to cross multiply and then divide. So we're going to do 12 times 6. So 12 times 6, 6 times 2 is 12. 1 times 6 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So 72, and then we're going to divide by 100. So I'm going to do 72.00, divide by 100. Okay. 100 goes into 7 0 times, 100 goes into 72 0 times, 100 goes into 727 times. So we're going to subtract 700. We have 20 left over. We're going to bring down this 0. 100 goes into 200 2 times, and that is 200. So we're taking away 72 cents from the total, so 0.72. So now to find our discounted price, we're going to take our $12 minus 72 cents, and that's going to give us our total. Okay, so 8, 2, so it's going to be $11.28 is our discounted price, so 11.28. All right, I want you guys to go ahead and pause the video, and I want you guys to try the hiking boots on your own, and then come back and check your answer after you try that one. All right, so your final answer should be that your hiking boots cost $26.92. So the discount was 11%, which equals out to $1.08. Right? If you are in pre-AP, go ahead and go on to the next video. If you are in regular math, go ahead and go to Schoology and do your assignment for today.